You're happy with your bed, kuya?
Yes.
While you're watching in your mobile?
Yes. Then I'm happy in my bed while I'm watching in my mobile, yeah?
Yeah, you have your own space, yeah?
Yes, here.
And you hug your pillow while you're watching?
Yes.
Aww. Great job.
I love you.
And I'm hugging my pillow, Nanay. I
Yeah.
saw you. I'm hugging you.
Oh.
Aww, how about
I love
tatay?
you.
How about
How about me?
Tatay?
Yes.
I hug you. Tata. Tata, what's that?
It's excavator.
No.
And then what was that?
It's a flapper.
Oh, wow. Great
Very
job.
good, kuya.
What was that, nanay?
Hindi ko din alam. What is it again?
A roller.
A water.
A road
No,
roller.
What the,
Wood
the
water.
first one?
One working.
Si Baby Ismael. Hi, Baby Ismael.
What's that?
Dilat na dilat ka. Andito na tayo sa kwarto.
Uy, patulog ka na. 10 o'clock na eh.
Patulog na.
Tama naman. Basta mo yan.
Ayan, ganito lang kami guys. Nanood ng TV, ng Netflix. Ayan, play tayo ng Netflix. May nakita kaming movie kahapon. Meet Joe Black. Grabe, 3 oras siya. 12:30 na tapos. 9:30 natin sinimulan eh, no? 9:30 namin sinimulan. Sabi ko, ano oras na? Ayun, nanay. Kay ano yun eh, kay
Nanay.
Brad Pitt.
Ay, nanay. Ay, nanay.
Ayun si Kuya Yusuf.
Ay, nanay.
Nag-enjoy naman siya sa bed niya. Alhamdulillah. Yeah?
Yeah.
So yun. Petay na namin yung ilaw kasi nakadim lang kami guys. Ayan. Ganito lang. Now it's 9:44. So mga 12 o'clock. Ay, hindi nakakonect yung internet ko ata. Sa isang extension. Yung extension nasa kabila pala. Nasaan na? Ang tagal. Bagal internet. Ayun.
Finish your meat. Finish.
Eto si si Meet Joe Black. Ito naman ang panonoorin namin ngayon. Only You. Only You. Yeah, Kuya Yusuf?
Yeah.
Okay, good night, guys. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nanay. For clip, yeah.
Yes po.
Nanay.
What else?
Like hex. Like put whopper, yeah. That's wood clappers.
Yes, yeah, correct. Oh. A wood scraper.
A wood scraper.
Wow. Great job, Kuya Yusuf. How do you know all those trucks?
Yes.
Yeah.
You like trucks?
Yes.
Maybe you will take engineering when you reach college? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, you will become a construction worker, Kuya.
Whopper.
Yeah, you become a machine operator. Smooth operator. Machine operator.
Crazy.
This is the whole video.
Ako naman, nagbebenta ng pyesa ng machine. But my Kuya Yusuf become machine operator. I'm just selling spare parts, anak. you want to become a machine operator. It's so nice, right?
Yes.
Last time we go to Global Village and you play the excavator.
Yes.
Do you remember that?
Yes. When I'm
With Lola Mommy.
enjoy your mommy. And when tatay, when nanay, when tita Linin, when your mommy, when toys, yeah?
Yes po. You play the excavator.
Yes. When your mommy.
Do you have fun?
Yes.
Aww. You enjoy playing the excavator in the Global Village?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Because you know, that's too expensive for me.
Two hexta here.
You know, it's 50 dirhams for 10 minutes, kuya.
Yes. This
50 dirhams for 10 minutes just to play the excavator.
yes.
So crazy. Yeah, but alhamdulillah, you have fun, right? You enjoy it.
Yes, I told the hexta here, yeah?
Yes. I love you.
Hexta here.
Excavator. Hey, Dirt. See you later. Aww. Oo, you're so daldal. Wow, what was that? A crane truck?
Yes.
It's a crane truck. Wow, it's so big, right?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes.
Oh, don't watch closer.
Daldal ka din.
Yeah.
This is a dog food.
Wow, great job.
Fox.
Mm-mm.
Walks and sand and walks and you just win. What's dog fox is?
Yes, correct. You're right, Kuya Yusuf.
Hexta here. See you later. Hexta fair.
I'm an excavator. Mm-mm. Oh, you just watch. Me and Nanay, we're gonna watch a TV or Netflix. And you watch, but stay quiet, okay?
Yeah.
Stay quiet, okay?
Mixer foxy.
Yeah, it's a mixer truck. But stay quiet, Kuya, okay?
A forklift.
Yeah, I know it. It's a skid steer loader.
No, it's not a skid steer. It's a forklift.
Ah, yeah, correct.
One.
Grabe.
Up.
Paano naman kami makakanood dito sa daldal naman itong bata, kare? Okay, guys. Good night. Tomorrow, Friday, last day, half day.
That's a dog food.
Puyat-puyat muna.